Hi guys, today I'm going to solve a Leecode problem. The problem number is 28. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. It is a very straightforward question, to be honest. It has two strings, needle and haystack. So if the string needle is there in a haystack, we need to return the first occurrence of the needle. Otherwise, we got to return -1. Let's go to the example. It's pretty straightforward. The example has haystack as sad but sad, a needle has word sad. So the first occurrence of this word in haystack is 0. So we just going to return the index, right? So the explanation is the word sad occurs at the index 0 and 6, but the first occurrence is at index 0, so we return 0, right? The second one is pretty straightforward as well. The needle has word litho, which does not have a litho in the haystack. So what we return? -1. Okay. The explanation is did not occur in Leecode. So we return -1. Okay. So let's go to Visual Studio and try to solve this problem. Okay. So for the convenience, what I've done is I've copy pasted all the examples and the string I've declared as per example 1. Okay. So what we're gonna do is let's write it down. Step 1, we will use index of which returns an int if the index of the word is there, is present. Otherwise, it will return -1. Okay. So let's type it out and debug it out so that we get the idea of what we want to achieve. Haystack dot right index of. So that's index of. So reports the zero-based index of the first occurrence of a specified Unicode character in the string. Okay. So it takes one parameter, character value, right? So we're gonna pass our needle. Okay. So this is simple one-liner, to be honest. Let's debug it out. So I'm expecting 0, right? Why I'm expecting 0 is because the word that is present in needle starts at 0, right? The index is 0. So let's take things one step forward. Let's say you are doing this in an interview, and the interviewer first asks you to find the index of first occurrence, right? And then the second question is, can you also find the second occurrence? So the second occurrence is as per the question. So the second occurs at index explanation as per the explanation. Okay. So this is the explanation. The sad occurs at index 0, 0 and 6, right? So 6. If you count it, it's on the sixth index, right? How would you find that? So you would find that, for example, let's do this. Okay. So I want to find the second index. Okay. How to find the second index? Okay, in order to find the second index, let's say var res, right? What would you do is you would need to count, make like be a little bit, you have to count from 1 rather than 0. If the index of counts from 0, it will always take the first occurrence, right? So somehow you need to omit that. So how would you do that is you would need to have something, copy the same thing, right? But +1. What does it give us? I just wanted to, so it should, the res should give us 1. So we will somehow trick the index of to start from index 1 rather than index 0, So that's how you would find the second occurrence of SAD, at 6. Okay. So let's say result val 2 or result occurrence, let's just say occurrence 2, right, equals to haystack this, right, copy the same thing, and then it takes in the second parameter the starting index will pass as 1. So how we going to pass as 1? We're going to pass this, the whole thing. Okay, whole thing. We can pass result, but and I'm just saying you can do it in one step as well. Okay, so I should expect 6 here. Okay, 6 here, and I should expect 0 here. Okay, so that's how you do it. I will remove this all. So these are the way you're gonna find the first and the second occurrence. This is my first occurrence, um, and this is my second occurrence. Okay, second occurrence. Okay, let's debug it out. So my first occurrence is 6, that is correct, and the second occurrence, first occurrence is 0, which is correct, and the second occurrence is at position 6, index 6, right? So we kind of trick the index of to start from 1. Why? Because we said, okay, this will give us 0 plus 1, start from 1. This is the second parameter is the index of, okay, and it returns an int, okay. So for now, in order to solve this problem, we just need the first occurrence, right? So we just need that line of code. So I will just put this code in action and we'll see if it passes all our test cases. Okay, run. Okay, return hashtag. Okay, index of. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I just typo. Okay, run. Okay, it passed. So the second case actually returns -1 since nothing is there. Index of returns always -1 if the item or if the word is not there. Okay, so submit. Let's see how it if it passes. Okay, perfect. First time, 74 milliseconds. Great. Thank you for watching, and feel free to ask me any questions. Yeah.